Hello, dear friends. This is Grandma Jeannie. Welcome back to my workshop. I've been busy and my boxes have piled up. Look, we've got all of these to open. Here we go. Box number one. This is a gift from one of my lovely Dollhouse friends, and there is a sweet card that she sent with it. So first of all, she has included this, and this is, oh my goodness gracious, I do not have one like this. This was made by the Plasco company, and it is kind of rare. First of all, it's that beautiful hot pink, which they did not make a lot of those. And then it's got the little 3 open shelves, like back in the olden days in the 1950s. You might have had shelves like that in your kitchen. You could have put your bowls on them or something like that. Isn't that adorable? Then she's also got in here, it's a little tiny menu from the Dixie's Diner. Now, I've showed you that diner before, and I'm going to get it out again. Now, I might try to reproduce that for my friends that would like to have one. Let me get it out and show it to you. That is so super cute that it is adorable. Isn't that cute? I'm going to try to reproduce that so I can share it with my Dollhouse friends. And she had this clever idea. These are little tiny nail decals, and these happen to be like little elephants like you'd find on babies' things. And she thought maybe I could put those on cribs, or maybe like a little like building blocks for little kids. Isn't that cute? Maybe even like a children's dinner plate or something like that. What a sweet and thoughtful gift. Thank you so much to her. This is box number 2. I remember correctly, I think I got this on Facebook Marketplace. And it was one of those things that this nice lady had listed for sale, and it was for local pickup. And I asked her if she would mail it to me, and she said yes. So for not too much money, I was able to purchase these little items as well as pay for shipping. And what these are is a set of vintage, it's a partial set of vintage Mark's People. And this is, well, I was going to say it's kind of rare, but recently I've seen quite a few of these spring up as new old stock on eBay. But nevertheless, these are vintage, and this is a man, and he is jointed, and he's jointed at the knees and the arms. And then here is the mother. She is jointed at the shoulders and the hips. You can see how tall she is. And then I've got 2 children. A girl that's not jointed, and then another child, I think another girl, and she's missing one of her legs from the knee down. And then there's a baby. You know, I love the little babies. And then there's a few little stands here. Now, one of the reasons I bought this, first of all, it wasn't very expensive, and second, I do have some extra parts. And whenever I see something like this and I've got some of the missing parts, and then it's still a nice little set just like it is, I couldn't resist asking to have those so I could purchase them, and she'd mail them to me. So that's what the deal is. I've got another partial set of these with extra pieces, so I'll put them together and see if I can get a complete family. If not, we'll have the family like they are, and the one little girl, well, we'll either replace her leg or we'll figure out something with her. Anyway, awfully cute. Here is box number 3. This box came from one of the Facebook groups I'm in, where they have a bunch of dollhouse collectors and miniature collectors, and 2 of those groups allow sales. One does it on the first Saturday of every month, and the other group does it on the second Saturday of every month. And it was one of those 2 groups, I forget which one it was, but they both have wonderful people in them, and I purchased these items. This lady had them listed for sale. And when you buy from those Saturday groups, there's a couple things I can guarantee. First of all, it will be well packed, and you'll have high quality items and at a reasonable price. I'm going to post the names of those 2 groups. Actually, there's a 3rd group I'm going to post too. Although we don't sell there, we do talk about the repair and how to rehab these metal dollhouses. So I'm going to post all 3 of those on there. I'm going to get all this stuff out, and then we'll take a closer look at it. What a fun and sweet lot. Look at this unusual lamp. Look at this vintage lamp. Very nice. I'm not sure the company, Renoir, I believe it says Renoir. This one I don't think is marked. Very cute. Look at this bird cage. You know, I just love little stuff, and it's got that little bird right in it. This, I believe, is also, it says Commonwealth plastic. That's an unusual piece. I don't know that I've seen one in person before. This little kitchen set, a complete kitchen set. This would be a popular color from the 1950s. We a lot of times called it jadeite. Look at this little tiny mixer and lamp, and then a couple of other kitchen items. And then these are replacement parts that go to a vintage Wolverine house. And you know, I'm kind of the vintage fixer-upper lady, so when I saw these available, I thought, well, I better get those. I might have an old house that needs those, or I might know somebody that needs those. What a wonderful group. I hope you enjoyed these little treasures as much as I did, and I hope you'll look for those Facebook groups and join us. Thank you so much for being with me tonight. Remember, Grandma Jeannie loves you.